for this video. I've been reading some comments about being nameless and voiceless and who is this, and so I wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the purpose of the channel. My name is Steven. The purpose of the channel is real simple. My attempt to bring some joy, authentic joy, to the world. I want to bring nature sights and sounds. We're blessed with so many beautiful sights and sounds in nature, and I thought, man, what a great way to try and share some of that joy. So I'll be spending time on our farm and going out and about in the community. I'm in Central North Carolina, but I'll bring content wherever we go as best I can. A mixture of shorts, some longer form videos as well. But today, oh, it's goodness, it's Friday, December the 5th. It's cold, misty, gray. We're supposed to get our first snow this morning, but that really didn't turn out. We did have some ice on the ground, but today, right now, we're sitting on the porch, as I call it. It's of my old log cabin, tobacco curing cabin. It's authentic for this land. This used to be a tobacco farm when tobacco growing was really big in this area. Not so much some more, so maybe I'll take a video and show you the inside and tell you a little bit about the cabin. It dates about, best we can tell in talking to locals, about 100 years old, probably the 1920s or so. One gentleman said, "No, it's from the 1800s." I don't think that, but who knows? I really truly don't know. So anyway, thank you again, Stephen Smith, from Nature Sights and Sounds. Welcome to the channel, and I hope you enjoy it. Let us know if we can bring you any special content or try and cover some area that you would like to see. Thanks again. Bye-bye. There's two gray squirrels way out there playing on that tree. I don't know if you can see them or not. We'll see if we can get a little closer. Oop, there he goes. He went and got him a hickory nut, I think. Now he's coming back. Yeah, they're not gonna let me get any closer to them, but you can see them right there. Here's one right here, scampering across. Let's see. There goes another one up that tree on the back side. We have lots of squirrels. There's one way over there on a rock, way over there. So what, we got 4 or 5 squirrels right now. Here's a little bird. Here's 2 birds playing right here. There's another little bird right there. We're blessed with plenty of wildlife out here. I think what I want to do in this little area out here is I want to create like a little squirrel bird paradise. And I'm thinking that might offer an opportunity to bring some great, joyful videos. Just watch these guys play for a little while. He's right there. And there's his friend. Oh, I think he flew away. We'll walk on down the path. I have some lights out here that I sometimes turn on at nighttime, but a tree fell the other day and took my string of lights down. Oop, there goes the squirrel. See him going right there across the forest floor. Oh, there's one right there. See? Yeah, I see one way. There's one out there. Let's see if we can get on down here. Let's see, there's 2 of them. right under that pink ribbon, right out there, there's one that's sitting there real still, thinking I don't see him, but I do. Oop, there goes another one. So there's 1, 2. There they go. They went up the tree. One. I think there's 3 just ran up that tree right there. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Coming out here by the creek. I got a swing for the kids, picnic tables. If you can see way over there is one of our horses. We have 2 of them. One of our horses, his name is Two, and he's heard me walking down the path. Look, he'll look up here in another second. He's very alert. I hear a crow somewhere. He's looking at me right now. You see him looking at me? I'm gonna walk down this path. This is where the turkeys come through, right up here. But I haven't seen them in a few days, and I cannot. There were 7 of them walking the other day. Here's our little creek running through here. It's beautiful. When we get on up here, I'll show you some of the rocks that are absolutely incredible. I'm trying to be quiet, but it's impossible. There. This is a little tiny fishing hole right here. And I mean tiny, right? But we catch little tiny perch and brim and little big, huge, chubby minnows out of there. It's fun. Of course, we throw them back. Just a fun spring, summer activity. I thought I saw... Nope, it's just I saw one of those turkeys up there, but I don't. Let's get up here a little higher. Ooh, I almost fell. Let's see, we'll just watch the birds play for a little while. This is fishing hole number 2. This is actually the original one. That first one I showed you, kind of just a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. You can see our second horse way in the distance over there. He's the old man. His name is Dinky. Let's see if I can get on up here without falling. I'm kind of going the backwards way here. I hope this isn't too jerky of a video. I'm using an older camera. I wish I had a nice newer camera. So here's the rock field. Beautiful rocks out here. This whole rock vein runs down through this part of the country. And we'll walk over here and see if we can get quiet and see if we can hear any nature sights and sounds. I hear Mr. Crow. Boy, he's really chatting it up. Let's just sit here and enjoy this for a second. Absolutely peaceful and joyful. We'll ease on up here. There's another little section just beyond this tree that's fallen down. Yeah, we had a storm come through and take down some trees. Took out my picnic table. We'll get it all cleaned up. Firewood for the cabin. I've got a wood stove in the cabin I'll show you eventually. Isn't that pretty? That green moss? Wow. You hear the water? Let's see if we can listen for nature's sights and sounds. I'll be quiet for a minute. We have water and a crow. There's so much we're all blessed with that you can listen for. Let's see, we'll go down here and if I don't fall, I want to get right down there. This is where I'm headed. Right here. This big tree fell over. Look at all the rocks that are actually up under that tree stuff. But I'll be quiet and let you listen to this. It's just therapeutic. Okay, I think that'll do it for today. Hi, hopefully you enjoyed that. I think that's the end of the video for today. This cold, misty, gray December the 5th, Friday, December the 5th day. Happy Friday, joyful Friday. Have a wonderful, blessed day from Nature Sights and Sounds. This is Steven saying, see you later. Bye-bye.